Hi guys, Mr. Dalton here, and I'm back with another video. So as you may know, if you watched my last video, it is Carnival week this week. I'm trying to get you guys through the half term by playing some little mini games which are Carnival inspired. So today you won't see it at Carnival, unlike last time's one, but it's just a fun mini game you could play with your friends, with your family, in the house with your brothers, sisters, mums, dads, okay? So, all you need for this one is 6 markers, which I'm numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a dice. We've done some stuff with the dice before. This one's a bit of a memory game. So I've got to roll the dice 6 times, and I've got to remember what those numbers are in that sequence. And then I've got to use my jumping system, so my legs. I'm going to jump to each number in that sequence. Let me show you. So if I roll a 3, I've got to remember 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 3, 3, then 1. So 3, 1, and I'll roll the dice 6 times. Once I've rolled that dice the dice 6 times, I'm going to jump to those ones. So I'll jump 3, and then I jump 1, and then I've got to jump back. And I've got to do that for all 6 of my my numbers. This one is a bit of a brain teaser, a bit of a memory game. So give it your best shot, see how many numbers in the sequence you remember, and then that's your score. So if I remembered 4 of my 6 numbers, then I get the score of 4, and then I can challenge someone who I might be playing against. Right, so I'm going to do my sequence of 6. I'm going to give it a go, and I'm going to hand it over to you guys and see how you get on. So my sequence is, I've got 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2. 4, 5, 1, 1, 2. 4, 5, 1, 1, 2. 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. Alright, you can do that in any way. If you want to do running, if you want to do hopping, if you want to do skipping, you can do that memory game in any way, shape or form. It's just a nice quick one. If you've got 5-10 minutes to spare, play that a few times, run through it. It's a really good one to build those memory skills. If you want to make the sequence longer, add more numbers in. If you want to go up to 10 numbers, great, fantastic. It just works on those memory skills and giving the children an idea of how they can use those memory skills in the curriculum. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed that Carnival game today. I'll be back again next time with our 3rd Carnival Mini Game for you, hopefully to get you through half term and beyond. Alright, see you next time guys. Bye.